Hi, welcome youngsters. Cryptocurrencies are transforming the way people think about money. In today's video, we'll explore different ways you can make money from crypto. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, from simple investment strategies to more advanced techniques, let's dive in. Before we jump into how to make money, let's quickly understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptos are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or financial institution. Buy and hold. One of the most popular ways to make money from cryptocurrency is the classic buy and hold strategy. This is often referred to as hodling, a term that originated from a typo in 2013. Here, you simply buy a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others, and hold on to it for the long term, hoping its value increases over time. Buy and hold strategy. Many investors believe that as more people adopt crypto, the value will rise in the future. But remember, this strategy requires patience, and it's important to do thorough research before choosing which coins to hold. Trading cryptocurrencies. Next up, we have crypto trading. This is a more active way to make money, where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at different prices. Traders take advantage of market fluctuations to make profits, and some use advanced techniques like day trading or swing trading. Crypto trading, day trading, swing trading. To succeed in crypto trading, it's crucial to monitor the market regularly, stay updated on news, and use technical analysis. But keep in mind, trading can be risky, especially if you don't have experience. Start small and only trade what you can afford to lose. Staking. Another way to earn passive income is by staking. Staking involves locking up a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's security and operations. In return, you earn rewards, often in the form of more crypto. Staking, earn passive income. Some popular coins like Ethereum and Cardano offer staking opportunities. The more you stake, the bigger your rewards, but remember that it's important to pick trustworthy networks. Mining. Mining is another classic method, but it's more technical. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex math problems that validate transactions on the blockchain. In exchange, miners are rewarded with new coins. Mining use computers to earn coins. Mining can be profitable, but it requires significant upfront investment in hardware, energy costs, and ongoing maintenance. With the rise of cloud mining, however, some people prefer to rent mining power instead of owning the equipment themselves. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Yield farming and liquidity mining are more advanced methods where you provide liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, in exchange for rewards. In simple terms, you lend your crypto to platforms and earn interest or extra coins. Yield farming and liquidity mining. These can be lucrative, but they come with risks like smart contract vulnerabilities and market volatility, so be sure to research the platforms carefully. Earning crypto through work. Did you know you can also earn cryptocurrency by working? Some employers and freelance platforms pay in crypto for services rendered. You can also find jobs where crypto is a direct payment option. Earn crypto through freelancing and jobs. If you have a skill like writing, design, or coding, consider offering your services on platforms that support crypto payments like Bitwage or CryptoGrind. Airdrops and forks. Lastly, we have airdrops and forks. Airdrops are a way for crypto projects to distribute free tokens to existing users, often as a way to raise awareness. Similarly, forks occur when a cryptocurrency splits into two separate chains, and you may receive free coins from the new chain. Airdrops and forks. Free coins. Keep an eye out for these opportunities, but be cautious of scams that may try to trick you into giving away your private keys or personal information. So there you have it, several ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a long-term holder, an active trader, or you want to earn passive income, there's an option for you. But remember, always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Happy investing!